Okay guys, I'm your host Muhammad Nadeem, and right now I am with the part 2 of the video, how to install Win2k on the Linux operating system. So after the installation of the libraries, now we will move towards the Win2k tar file, and in this Win2k tar file we will extract this file. Let me tell you, I have already extracted the file. This is in this folder Win2k. Yes, here you can see these files are extracted. You have to open a terminal by right clicking in this folder and then giving the command which is present in the Word file, text file I have previously shown you, and this the command line is also given in the YouTube's description. You can also take it from there. Okay, this is the command line, how to install Win2k. This is given into the description. You can find it from there as well. So now we are expanding the executable files, and we are on the option B in this list, and finally we will compile the Win2k code completely in this video. So you can skip these step number 1, 2, 3 and 4 step if you don't want to use these commands in the command line, because Linux Ubuntu and Linux Mint support the right click and extract here property, just like that. I have clicked it, and then I will ask it to extract here, then this folder will be extracted. Otherwise, if you do it by the command, then you have to use the step number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the most convenient and better way to do that. Then go to the Win2k folder and install it by using the further commands. So here right click, and you can see we are in the folder Win2k _14. And we'll start from the gunzip, copy and paste, so enter. So here you will see that gunzip is not working because I have already extracted the folder. Because files are already extracted and gunzip will not work here, I will start it from option number 6, chmod +x expand, but I will tell you from the beginning. I will delete this folder and I will create it again. So now I have deleted the folder, and now I am going to extract it again over here. Okay, Win2k folder is extracted right now, you can see that, and here it is, Win2k 14. Now right click and open the terminal. Okay, and in this terminal right now you will have to write the command gunzip from the command line. I have put it into the text file, yeah, from here, paste and click enter. So you have to do the further commands as well. Now chmod, after that the command number 7, yeah. Now you will have to click yes and so on. It will expand. After this you have to go site configuration _lpw, and then you have to click continue. It will start, and now you will have to select the option number 5 if you are going to use the G-Fortran compiler. Some people normally use G-Fortran, and if you are going to use the Intel Fort compiler, then you have to select the option I, but I am using the G-Fortran, so I am going to utilize option V over here. So it's expanded. Now my compiler is G-Fortran, so I will select G-Fortran. Yeah, of course, I will select G-Fortran over here. F90 is the current selection, but I will not go with F90 because I will go with G-Fortran. So copy paste it. Now my selection is GCC. Here normally people select CC, but sometimes it gives an error because I have got error several times when I selected at CC, so it will be GCC. So it is compiled. Now it thinks that hit enter, and we will go towards the save setting. Just click on S because we are not going to change the libraries over here, and recommended settings are, we will go with the recommended setting, and our settings are present according to gfortran compiler. If you will use the ifort compiler, then these settings will be different. For that I will tell you in the next video. Save and quit, and then press enter. Here it is saying about shared architecture, so you have to go with yes option. It will do the parallel computations, and if you don't have many cores, you can go with N, no option. So here we will go with the yes, because shared architecture is fast computing and do the fast calculations. So for the fast calculation you have to go with that. Computation normally bind it with the P, but here we are not going to bind it. It will be auto selected. And here we are not going to select Y, we will select N because we don't want to check out MPI or FTTW3. Then we have to give it the path, and normally people don't know where the path is. I will tell you about next video in which you can give the path FTTW3 and also MPI-CH2. So here we are just going with N option right now. It's a simple clean installation of the Win2k, so you don't have to worry about that. It will do the parallel computation for you. Yeah, it's computations actually. So here we will go to the quit and click A, all programs over here. Okay, so we have done our calculations, we have done our work over here, and we have compiled it. So now there are some other settings which we are going to do. User Win and Perl, we have to give this name right here. Copy paste and click enter. So we have done it, and now we will move forward, and please guys share and like and subscribe our channel for further updates. Now we will move towards the user configuration, where we can type w2web and install the other parameters, and here you will see that. So we are going towards the bash and data files, so you have to go towards the user configuration. Here we will click on the yes option, so we are going with the same data directory, and if you want to change your directory you can do that, but I will recommend you not to do that. So set scratch directory, I'm also going to select the same one as a scratch directory, so this will be my scratch directory by default, and do it accordingly as I'm going to do this. So just give the parameter accordingly, and hope so you will finish it. Okay, so it's set up. It has been set up. So now it's adding everything towards the registry file, and it has added to the registry file every detail needed to for Win2k commands. Okay guys, so here you can see that I have already just did the command, utilized the command w2 web, and that has been binded to my port. So I will just click on it, and okay, you cannot use the w2 web command in this folder, because you have to go to the parent folder and you have to go to the home folder actually, and there you will use the w2 web command. And here you can see that I have given the w2 web command, and here you have to give your username and your password. So I have given it admin and 1533, and these are the my credential. You can change your credential as well. So now this will bind it, and we will click yes. Okay, so it has been binded. Now the thing is, you have to just restart your machine and again put the w2 web code, so it will be on your browser. You have to click it, and it will be on your browser. Our file, and we have to replace it into the Win2k folder. Okay, so here we are going to extract it here, extract here, and after extraction, here it is, Win2k crack. So we have to copy all these files, Control A, Control C, and we have to put it into this folder. We have to place it over here, right click and paste. It will ask you to replace, and you have to click at apply all action and click on replace. So this crack is being done, and it will finally patched. Here you can see. So this patch is being done. Just wait and watch. When this patch will be finalized, we will go towards the terminal. So here it is done. Now moving towards the terminal, I will close this window. Okay, now opening the terminal from the sidebar, just write w2 web, enter, and here you go. You have the link over here. Right click and open the link in the browser. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Please subscribe it. So put your username and password which you have given at the time of formation of the Win2k code and terminal. I have given it admin and 1533. So I'm going to utilize this one. Save it. And here we are in the Win2k browser. Here we have opened the Win2k, and now after the successful patching, just T1 and just want to show you, create, and select the current directory and click restart this. So here we are going to change some VL settings and go to the configurations. You can also utilize it from the HTML server. So here save it and refresh the page. Finally you will get the new look of the Win2k graphical user interface. Here it is, the graphical user interface of the Win2k. Here you can generate the number of items and create the templates for your project. So this is for all. Please subscribe our channel, like and share. We need your supports. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. Take care.